Kimberly, why don't you try the pedals? Oh, okay. That's not our bike. No, that's not ours. Corinne.
What? No, it's not time yet. Oh. No, that's not ours. You gotta wait until your sister's done, okay, Caitlin? You have 2 more minutes left.
Wow, that's going to not end well.
What?
You can't get them not listening because then kids will get restless. Like Kimberly will get restless. You have to do them little spurts.
Look both ways first, Kimberly.
Stop. Look both ways.
Is there any cars coming?
No.
Both
No,
ways.
The other way. Look over there. Over there.
Are there any cars?
No.
Okay.
Let's go then. Okay, it's Caitlin's turn.
No.
Yes, it's Caitlin's turn, and then you can have a turn.
Go.
No, it's Caitlin's turn, okay? You already had a turn. It's Caitlin's turn.
It's my turn.
You can walk with Sissy until it's your turn. Now put your feet right there, and now pedal.
How do you do this?
Here, let me see. I'll show you.
I know you go like that. I know how to do it.
Spin.
Pedal. I want to do it. I want to do it.
I got
Yeah! Good job.
It's her turn right now, okay, Kimberly?
Have they ride it?
Yeah, Kimberly already went.
They'll probably each get to go like 3 times, maybe 2. My sister, your sister's mean? What you say? She just said Sissy's mean.
No, she didn't.
Why not?
Don't run me over.
Very cool. Austin, I wouldn't just eat any nut you find. Come on. You guys' car.